Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm so happy that you all have subscribed. To anyone that is new here, I am Rosie, the owner of Garnish by Rosie. I do own a beauty brand where I offer natural hair services and makeup artistry. So I hope you are subscribed. If not, please subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below also. So today I'm just showing you a little clip of me installing some knotless braids. These braids are awesome for everyone in my opinion. They are the only type of braids that I offer. I call them the invisible root. I use the invisible root method when installing my individuals, but the trending term is knotless braids. But yeah, they're great. They allow the hair to grow out naturally without tying any extension hair around your natural hair, which is awesome. It alleviates excessive tension, and I just love the way the braids look over time. They just flow naturally. It looks really good, and extensions are for you to get a break from doing your hair and, manipulating your hair. So you want to kind of leave them in for a long time. You shouldn't have to be popping pills after getting your braids installed, It shouldn't hurt, but anywho, so this is just a little clip of me showing you me installing the knotless braids on my client. The size of these braids are small, and the hair I use is the Easy Braid. It's my favorite brand right now. I love that this hair, it doesn't tangle. It does not tangle as you are braiding down the hair. I love that my clients don't experience that itching sensation that some hair tends to give just because of the chemicals that are used when processing, the extension hair. So I love that. And I also like the way these look once you dip them, again, because you're wearing the style for a long time, you don't want the ends of your braids to start looking funky. And this hair, it allows for your braids to look good the entire time. So this is the Easy Braid. I'm using 26 inches. And this normally gives me bra strap length braids, which is pretty standard. So yeah, I really love this hair. I used about 5 bundles, almost 5, I'm gonna say. So it doesn't require a lot of hair to be used at all, which also aids in how lightweight my braids are. So yeah, that's the spiel about knotless braids. My clients are able to take care and attend to their scalp while wearing the braids. So, meaning they can shampoo their scalp while wearing these braids, which is great. So, again, I'm not going to talk the entire time, but I did just want to kind of give you a little sneak peek as to my process of installation. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. The support is real. I feel it. I love it. I'm grateful. So thank you. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see. If you want to see me do something on myself, or if you want to see me do something on a client, whatever it is, just let me know down below. And as always, I hope you're well during this pandemic, and see you guys next time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, here are some images of the final look. I love the outcome, and I hope you do too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below.